So Monday, the fourth day, was also the day we had the HVAC guy out here to replace the entire air conditioning system. So the unit out here was replaced. A new condensate line that was larger for the larger system because it was a little undersized originally has been replaced. So that's all done. And on the inside we did the furnace. And just a side note, if you noticed, these planting beds are overgrown, but we've already sprayed them with Roundup just to get them started. So when the landscaper does come here, all that stuff is dead and he's not having to dig out fresh grass. And I would recommend, if you're going to do that on a house, do a renovation, do that kind of stuff early so it gives it time to die. So when it comes time to get the landscaper here, most of the stuff is already dead. But anyways, back to the work that was done here on the HVAC. And so the system here was replaced. And also on that Saturday, we actually replaced the water heater. I don't know if you can see that, but that's got a brand new water heater. We did that Saturday when we got rained out. And we've got now a brand new furnace installed in and out. So that's done. And another side note, the reason we were able to get the furnace replaced within 4 days after we closed is because we spend the time between the day you sign the contract to the day you close to get people out here to give us bids. So we already know who's going to do what work, and we're ahead of the game. We're not getting bids after we closed. We already know who we're going to use. We already have bids at the day of close, so we're ready to go. Okay, let's go to, that really ends day 4, Monday. And let's see what we do on Tuesday.